Amazon deploys 1 million robots. Powered by a new AI system, DeepFleet Amazon recently reached a remarkable milestone, rolling out its 1 millionth robot in a fulfillment center in Japan. Now, robots work alongside human employees in more than 300 global facilities. The company's new AI DeepFleet coordinates these robots, optimizing their movements and cutting travel times by 10%. DeepFleet enables the robots to anticipate traffic, adjust routes, and shuffle tasks as needed. Vice President Scott Dresser emphasized that these robots are not replacing workers, but rather handling the physically demanding tasks while humans move into technical roles. Since 2019, Amazon has trained 700,000 workers to maintain and program these robots, helping to upskill employees while improving operational efficiency. Intel spins off RealSense division into a $50 million robotics powerhouse. Intel has spun off its RealSense division into a standalone company, backed by $50 million in funding from the MediaTek Innovation Fund and Intel Capital. The RealSense division, known for its depth-sensing cameras used in drones, factory pickers, and autonomous lawnmowers, will focus on creating new products designed to improve safety and ease of use in AI-powered devices. Intel retains a minority stake in the division, signaling its continued interest in the physical AI space. The investment highlights the growing demand for physical AI solutions, with companies racing to capitalize on this expanding market. AIDA paints King Charles, redefining robot-made art. AIDA, the hyper-realistic humanoid robot, just unveiled a portrait of King Charles titled Algorithm King. AIDA uses its robotic arms to swap tools depending on the medium and produces stunning oil paintings. Last year, the robot painted a portrait of Alan Turing, which sold for over $1 million at auction. Despite its commercial success, AIDA's creator, Aidan Miller, frames the project as an ethical art experiment. The robot's purpose is to spark debate about the role of AI in creative fields, not to replace human artists. The portrait of King Charles highlights his contributions to environmental conservation and interfaith dialogue, encouraging discussion on innovation and responsibility in art. Hugging Face launches programmable desktop robot for under $300. Hugging Face has introduced the Reachy Mini, a small desktop robot priced at just $299. Standing at 11 inches tall, it can perform 15 behaviors, including face tracking and dancing. However, its true appeal lies in its openness. The robot is compatible with Raspberry Pi, Wi-Fi, microphones, and an accelerometer, making it easily customizable for hobbyists and developers. The Reachy Mini comes with a variety of tools and an open-source software framework, allowing anyone to teach it new tricks. Hugging Face hopes to foster a community of creators who can share and modify motion packs, much like game modders share skins. Researchers introduce QStack for faster and safer AI robot training. A team from the University of Sydney and NVIDIA has introduced QStack, an innovative approach to training robots more safely and efficiently. Unlike traditional reinforcement learning, which either learns too quickly and fails often or too slowly, QStack combines model predictive control with deep reinforcement learning to create a more adaptable and efficient training method. The technology has already demonstrated success in real-world applications, such as fruit picking, with a 93.3% success rate. With its built-in safety features, QStack could revolutionize industries like warehouse automation, autonomous vehicles, and any field that requires cost-effective, trial-and-error-based learning. Figure AI's humanoid helix reaches human-level performance in logistics work. Brett Adcock, founder of Figure AI, recently revealed that their humanoid robot, Helix, has achieved human-level performance in logistics work on a conveyor belt. This milestone comes after significant improvements in actuator design and neural networks capable of handling complex, messy environments. With $2.34 billion in funding, Figure AI is pushing ahead with plans to deploy humanoid robots in a wide range of industries. Adcock believes that in just a few years, humanoids will be as common as humans in workplaces, marking a turning point in the development of artificial general intelligence. In the realm of sensors, researchers have unveiled a graphene AI tongue that can taste flavors with near-human accuracy. This innovative device, made from graphene oxide sheets just 1 atom thick, works by guiding a liquid through a nanofluidic channel. When flavor molecules interact with the graphene, they alter its electrical conductivity in a recognizable pattern, similar to how piano keys press specific strings. To train the AI tongue, the researchers exposed it to a wide variety of substances, including reference chemicals and complex mixtures like dark roast coffee and cola syrup. The AI model learned to identify both simple and complex flavor profiles. The device's small size and integrated processing mean that data can be processed without delay, addressing an issue with older electronic tongues. While it's still a prototype, the device could have practical applications, such as taste testing for stroke recovery patients or food safety checks. However, further work is needed before it can handle a broader range of flavors. Finally, Meta is investing heavily in building massive AI supercomputers. Mark Zuckerberg announced that Meta's first AI data center supercluster, named Prometheus, will be ready by 2026, with more than 1 gigawatt of GPU capacity. For perspective, 1 gigawatt can power 750,000 homes. Meta is committing billions to this project, with capital expenditures for 2025 expected to range between $64 billion and $72 billion. Zuckerberg is also personally recruiting top talent, with reports indicating that he's offered a $200 million package to an Apple generative AI lead and has already signed high-profile tech leaders. Despite some internal concerns about delays in Meta's Llama 4 model, the supercluster initiative is seen as a fix. Investors remain confident, with Meta's stock up 25% year-to-date. With all these advancements, the question arises, how long before AI will begin doing things we haven't even imagined yet? What do you think about the rapid pace of AI development? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.